Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we are given that take the data given the minimum and the maximum temperature of the various cities given in the beginning of this chart. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following question. So basically we are given the cities which are Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and the Mumbai. And we are given their maximum and minimum temperature. We have to plot the double bar graph for this. So temperature range from here, if we can see, is from approximately 21 to 41. So we are going to draw the bar graph for that. So temperature is from 21 degree to 41 degree Celsius. So we are going to draw the bar graph from scale 0 to 45 with a gap of with a gap of 5 with a gap of 5. So let's start our So this is our bar graph where x-axis is representing the cities and y-axis is representing the temperature of that cities. We are going to draw the scale up to 45 with the 5 difference. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So firstly we have Ahmedabad, which is represented by AH. Next is Amritsar, which is represented by AM here. Next is Bangalore, which is represented by B. Next is Chennai, which is represented by C. Next is Delhi, which is represented by D. Next is Jaipur, which is represented by J. Next is Jammu, which is represented by Jam. And next is Mumbai, which is represented by M. We have to draw the temperature. For that, we have to draw the bar scale graph. Here what we are going to do is one unit here is representing the 5, one unit is represented the 5 degrees from here. So we are going to use green for maximum temperature and red for the minimum temperature and red for the minimum temperature. So starting with the maximum temperature. So for Ahmedabad we are given the maximum temperature which is 38 degrees Celsius. So 38 degree must be there. So this is 38 degree for Ahmedabad. Next is for Amritsar, it's given 37. So 37 must be there somewhere. So this is 37 for Amritsar. Next is for Bangalore, it's 28 degree. So 28 degree must be somewhere here. So this is 28 degree for Bangalore. Next is for Chennai. For Chennai, it's 36 degree. So 36 degree must be here somewhere. So this is 36 degree for Chennai. Next is Delhi. For Delhi, it's 38. So 38 must be here somewhere. So this is 38 for Delhi. Next is for Jaipur. Jaipur, it's 39. So 39 is somewhere here. So this is 39 for Jaipur. Next is for Jammu, it's 41. So 41 for Jammu is somewhere here. So this is 41 for Jammu. And next is Mumbai. It's 32 for Mumbai. So for Mumbai, it's 32 is somewhere here. So this is the maximum temperature. Now we are going to draw the minimum temperature. So minimum temperature for Ahmedabad it's 29. So 29 must be here somewhere. So this is 29. For Amritsar it's 26. 26 must be somewhere here. So this is 26. For Bangalore it's 21. So 21 must be here somewhere. So this is 21 for Bangalore. For Chennai it's 27. So 27 must be here somewhere. This is 27. For Delhi it's 28. So 28 must be here somewhere. For Jaipur, it's 29. 29 must be here somewhere. For Jammu, it's 26. So 26 must be here somewhere. And for Mumbai, it's 27. So 27 must be here somewhere. So this is our bar graph. Now we have to answer the question. First is that which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given data. So this is our given data. We have to find out the maximum and minimum difference. So maximum and for Ahmedabad, maximum temperature is 38 and minimum is 29. So difference of 38 and 29 is 9 degree. Next is for Amritsar. For Amritsar, maximum temperature is 37 and minimum is 26. So their difference is 11 degree. For Bangalore, maximum is 28 and minimum is 21. Difference is 7 degree. For Chennai, maximum is 36, minimum is 27. Difference is 9 degree. For Delhi, maximum is 38, minimum is 28. Difference is 10 degree. For Jaipur, maximum is 39, minimum is 28. Maximum is 39, minimum is 28. Difference is 11 degree. For Jammu, maximum is 41 and the minimum is 26. So difference from here is 15 degrees Celsius. And for Mumbai, maximum is 32 and the minimum is 27. So the difference is 5. So from here we have to find out the city which has the maximum temperature difference. So the answer to the first part is Jammu. In the next part, we have to find out which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city. So again from the graph, we can easily determine the hottest and the coldest city. So from here, second hottest city is Jammu because Jammu has the maximum temperature. So we can say that the hottest city is Jammu, and the coldest city is Bangalore. Bangalore has a minimum temperature that is 21. So coldest is Bangalore. Next is third part. In the third part, we have to find out name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the another. We have to name the cities where maximum temperature of one is less than the minimum temperature of the other. So discussing about the part third. So in the part third, the maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 and the minimum temperature of Jaipur is 28. And also so the answer to this is Bangalore and Jaipur. And next is the maximum temperature of Bangalore, again that is 28, and the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad. Minimum temperature of Ahmedabad is equals to 29. So this is the answer to the part third. Now part 4. Name the city which has the least difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. We have to name the city which has least difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. So here you can see the difference here. So from here, Mumbai has 5 degrees Celsius difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. So the answer to the part 4th is Mumbai. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.